Auzubillahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillah rahman rahim. I hope you are fine. I'm your science teacher and today we start the grade 6 chapter 1. The name of the chapter Plant and their system. First of all, what is plant? Plant are living organism. Even they do not work, speak, eat, run, laugh like a human and animal, but still they are living organism because plant has ability to grow, develop, reproduce, use energy, respond to environment. Many times you see that a small plant become a big tree. How can be it possible? Because plant has a ability to grow, to make their own food and to reproduce. Some plants are look very similar, but some plants are very different to each other. Look in this diagram. This one is the rose plant and this one is the cactus plant. How much different they are. But even plants are similar or different. They all have a same structure. Physically they may be different, but structurally they all are same. The main structure of the plants are root, stem, leaf, flower, buds. Roots, stem, leaf, flower and buds. Now discuss in detail. Roots. Roots are the part of the plant or the organ of the plant that grow downward into the earth. This hold the plant into the earth. Root absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Then this water and the mineral is transferred to the other part of the plant. Look at this diagram. Here is showing the roots are grow under the ground and these roots absorb water and the minerals from the soil. Next is the stem. Stem can be defined as the supporting part of the plant. It is above the ground. The main function of the stem is to hold leaf, flower and fruit. As I show you in the previous picture, this one is the stem that holding the leaf, flower and the fruit. Leaves. Leaves can be defined as the food making factories of plant. Why they are called food making factories? Because leaves are responsible for photosynthesis or they perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. After that, flower. I think all you already well know about flowers. It is the colored and the sweet smelling part or organ of plant. It also contains the reproductive organ or the reproductive part of the plant. Now last one is the bud. Buds are the small structure that grow at the tips of the roots and shoots, or can also be defined as that the buds are those where the growth start. Plant tissue and organ. Before discussing the plant tissue and organ, what is organ? As we know, every organism, even it is plant, animal or human being, start from the cell. When the cell combine, they make tissue. When the layer of tissue combine, they make organ. And when the organ work together, they make organ system. And this whole system make the organism. Plant is the same. Plant is a multicellular organism that is made up of the different type of the cell. And these different type of the cell make the different tissue. Here is some example of the plant tissue. When the cells that contain the chloroplast, cell in that present the plant contain chloroplast, combine together or work together, they make a photosynthetic tissue. These tissue are responsible for photosynthesis. Next one is the xylem. Xylem is also a tissue present in the plant, made up of the different type of the cell and responsible for transportation in the plant. They transport water and the minerals. Mostly they are present in the root and leaves. Next is the phloem. Phloem is also made up of the different type of the cell and responsible for the transportation of the food within the cell. After phloem, plant organ. Plant organ, the organ are made up of the different type of the tissue. When the different type of tissue combine together, they make organ. As I show you in the previous, cell combine make the tissue and the tissue combine make organ. As same in the plant, when the different type of the tissue combine, they make the organ. Plant organ also made up of the different type of the tissue. Here is one example. Leaf. A plant leaf is the plant organ that is made up of different type of the tissue. It include xylem, phloem, protective tissue and photosynthetic tissue. Here is a diagram through which you can easily understand. This is the diagram of the leaf. Here you can see the xylem, phloem, photosynthetic tissue and the protective tissue. When they all combine together and work together, they make a plant organ or leaf. The other plant organ are root, stem and flower. Now transportation in plant. Roots and stem are plant organ that make transport system in plant. Inside plant there are thin tubes called the xylem and phloem, or both collectively called the vascular bundle or vascular tissue. This tissue help in the transportation of food and water within the plant. Xylem tube transport the water or carry water and mineral from root to other part of the plant. Not only that, but it also support the plant, but the cells of xylems are dead. While phloem carry the food or the sugar from the leaves to the each and every part of the plant. They transfer the food, or simply can say that they transfer the food and the sugar from the leaf to the other part of the plant. Here is a diagram through which you can easily understand the function of xylem and phloem. This is the xylem through which the water and minerals transported. The flow of xylem or the transportation of the xylem is only the one way. But phloem contain the sieve-like structure that allow the phloem to transport the substance or the organic material or the sugar in both direction, in upward or in downward, that allow the phloem to transport the sugar or transport the food material to each and every part of the plant. Further we will discuss in next lecture.